to me about this, bro.
2000 Nissan Frontier, stock Ford body drop, painted by, yours truly. Been building it about 5 years or so now. Still 5 million things to do this thing, never ends.
That's the name of the game with these cars, or any car, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's probably, I'm glad to be a part of this, and to grow around Kyle for 30 years of your life now, and to have him, touch your mini truck is just, there ain't nothing better.
Dude, what do you got besides it? I see the body drop, that's obvious, because you can't have a mini truck without a body drop.
Oh, no, you can't.
But this thing looks so clean.
Oh, thank you.
Jeez, is that that's a 10 in the middle? Or?
That's a 10 subwoofer in there, yeah. Just got that done about a couple weeks ago, I want to say now.
That is dope, bro.
Thank you.
What do you got? Just same bags, just simple system, like plug and play bag?
4 bags running AccuAir E-Level. All sensors. I'm running the new E-Level Plus CPU. One touch of a button, you're up and ready to go,
Yeah. How long have you owned this car?
About 6 years now.
6 years, and when did you decide to customize it?
The minute I got it.
Oh, really?
The minute I got it. It was already body dropped on 18s, but I wanted to, got these wheels on a killer deal, and so I had to rebag it for the front just to lay the 20s.
You went with that old school 90s vibe, bro. Exactly how it should be, to be honest with you.
And when I brought it to Kyle to re-debut out in Texas, I like do what you're good at.
Yeah.
So I let him have free reign, and you see that.
Yeah, totally, dude.
Product.
I grew up with these cars, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, mini truck in magazine.
Yeah, see, I grew up the same way. My dad brought me into this ever since I was a kid, so I've grown up around Kyle all my life and everyone around here, so it's a matter of time before I got into it. You know what I mean?
So if someone had to find you on social media, what's your Instagram, Facebook handle? What's the story? TikTok, what?
Find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, NR_Jordan. Is where you'll find me.
Oh, you did it right, bro.
Thank you.
Tell me about the car. How long you had it?
It's a 1954 Bel Air. I've had it since 2010. We brought it home. It was all red. An older gentleman owned it, so it already had a lot of the stuff already done to it. The Mustang 2 front clip, the small block 350, turbo 350 tranny, AC, electric windows, heat, and then we purchased it, and then we brought it over here and had Kyle put his touch on it. And then we had Chris from Rough Customs, he airbagged it for me. So we did the airbag right on it, and then brought it back over here. Kyle did his work to it, cleared it, and then the story with the Serape roof, he wanted to do something different, and nobody was willing to take the chance to let him do it. So we laid out the freaking blanket on the hood that's on the seat, and then we just took the colors, kind of matched them as good as best as possible, and then people trip out. We did this in a day with tape and freaking out here, Bakersfield, it gets pretty hot. So we would shoot a color, bring it out in the sun, let it dry, put it back in the booth, tape it, shoot another color,
that's crazy,
bring it out, you know what I mean? So, we did that in a day. People trip out when we talk about that, but, but it's on Air Ride on 14.7 reverse Supremes. Skip did some pinstriping with the Estilo Viejo on there. Ron Beam also did that too. He did the straight lines. Yeah, that's about it about this car. Like I said, it's been done since 2012.
It's a gorgeous car, bro.
Thank you, bro.
I love it. Yeah, I saw Skip. Skip always loves to put that in his work, man.
Yeah.
Skip works phenomenal. And I met Mr. Bean last time, Ron.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, him and his brother.
Yeah. Yeah, Ron Beam and his brothers go back way back. Way back, yeah.
Bro, that's like a staple of history. I told him next time I'm here, if he was down for an interview, he's like, yeah, totally. Because it's just history, bro.
It is.
It is. Y la verdad, they get down, man.
Hey, esos viejos, man, those dudes, they for the weddles, those dudes get down, bro.
Big time, bro. They get down. So I got a question. If someone had to find you on social media, you have like a Facebook or Instagram? So
On Instagram, you can reach me at Junior Espinoza 71. That's my Instagram. It is also the same on Facebook.
cool, bro. This is gorgeous. I love it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
What do you got for a drivetrain? You said it was a Mustang too?
Mustang 2 front end, small block 350, turbo 350 tranny.
Okay, 350.
Yeah, with S10 rear end.